Are you ready to ditch that bulky TV and transform any room into a stunning home theater? JMGO, a leader in intelligent projection technology, is making waves in North America, and their latest move could change how you experience entertainment forever. They're expanding their reach through Costco, bringing their innovative projectors directly to consumers in both the US and Canada. As of November 28, 2025, you can find a selection of JMGO's cutting-edge projectors at Costco Canada. This means easier access to high-quality projection and potentially some sweet deals. Specifically, keep an eye out for the N1S Ultimate, the N1S Infinity, and the Costco-exclusive PicoPlay Bundle. A special discount is expected to be available in December, making it the perfect time to upgrade your viewing experience. Let's dive into what makes these projectors so special. N1S Ultimate. This projector is a game-changer for portable 4K projection. Imagine crystal-clear images with an incredible brightness of 3,300 ISO lumens. That's bright enough to enjoy movies even with some ambient light. Plus, it's equipped with Google TV, giving you access to certified Netflix, over 10,000 apps, and a staggering 800 free channels. The flexible 360 degrees horizontal and 135 degrees vertical gimbal design means you can point and project almost anywhere. Seriously, any room can become your personal cinema. N1S Infinity. Need something super portable without sacrificing quality? The N1S Infinity is your answer. It delivers stunning, detailed 4K UHD images at 2,450 ISO lumens. It uses the same advanced MALC triple laser optics as its bigger brother, ensuring vibrant, true-to-life colors. Get ready for endless entertainment on the go. PicoPlay Bundle. Costco exclusive. This bundle is exclusive to Costco and offers a complete portable entertainment solution. It includes the PicoPlay projector itself, a 100-inch portable screen, perfect for impromptu movie nights, a 65W Type-C fast-charging power bank, a tripod, and an HDMI cable. The PicoPlay projector can provide up to 4.5 hours of playback in eco mode, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Think camping trips, backyard parties, or even just a cozy movie night in bed. But the fun doesn't stop in Canada. Costco USA also carries JMGO projectors, including O2S Ultra with 120-inch motorized ALR floor rising screen. The O2S Ultra is JMGO's most advanced compact ultra-short-throw triple laser projector. What does that mean? It's designed to replace your traditional TV with a high-end home cinema experience. Powered by the MALC 3.0 triple laser system, it delivers true 4K resolution with incredibly accurate colors and a brightness of 3,600 ISO lumens. The ultra-short throw ratio of 0.16 to 1 is impressive. It can project a massive 120-inch screen from just 9.76 inches away from the wall. Even the smallest rooms can be transformed into a cinematic paradise. And it already comes with a motorized screen, which is a huge convenience. N3 4K with 100-inch portable projector screen. The N3 4K projector is another fantastic option, combining MALC 3.0 triple laser optics, an optical zoom of 1-1.3:1, dynamic gimbal control, and Google TV with Netflix built in. The dynamic gimbal control makes the N3 4K an excellent choice for those who want to change the projection angle on the fly. Furthermore, the integrated 360 degrees horizontal and 160 degrees vertical gimbal, JMGO Master Sound Hi-Fi Audio, and Dolby Audio create a truly immersive audio-visual experience. This makes for flexible placement and a sound experience that feels like you're in the movie. JMGO's expansion into Costco in the US and Canada, following their partnership with Best Buy, solidifies their commitment to the North American market. They're aiming to make high-quality projection technology more accessible to everyday consumers. To learn more about JMGO and their full range of products, visit jmgo.com. About JMGO. Founded in 2011, JMGO has established itself as a pioneer in intelligent projection technology. They focus on combining innovation, design, and user experience to redefine modern home entertainment. With a global presence in over 30 countries, JMGO is dedicated to leading the laser projection industry through research-driven development and a commitment to delivering immersive visual experiences. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that projectors can't truly replace the picture quality of a high-end OLED TV, especially in brightly lit rooms. Others say the immersive, large-screen experience of a projector is unmatched, regardless of the lighting conditions. What do you think? Can a projector truly replace a traditional TV, or is it just a different kind of entertainment experience? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.